Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I have been using a new Memecoin trading bot called Padri, and in this video I will give you my honest opinion about it. I normally use Axiom Pro for Memecoin trading, but this new platform caught my attention because it has a few options that Axiom misses. One of the most impressive tools that I really like is the trailing stop loss. Unlike a normal stop loss, a trailing stop loss allows you to place a stop loss that automatically moves up when the token price goes up, so you don't miss out on your profits and at the same time you protect your exit. It's the only trading bot that comes with this option and I miss it in Axiom, so maybe if the Axiom people are watching this video, you know what to do, guys. Another amazing tool is the Alpha Tracker, which shows you all the tokens that are being talked about in the biggest alpha groups like Potion, Prosperity and so on. These alpha groups have thousands of subscribers and you can instantly see which coins are being talked about. I prefer to pop up the tracker in a separate window on the left side, and I also set up sound effect notifications when coins are mentioned. It's crucial to get this information instantly, and it's also something that I really miss on Axiom or other trading bots. When people talk about a token in these alpha groups, you know that loads of money will probably flow into it. Of course, there's also a Twitter and a wallet tracker where you can track up to 10,000 wallets. If you need a list of profitable wallets, I have one for you in my Telegram Memecoin channel. Go to the pinned messages, click the Solana wallets link and the text file will open. Copy the whole text and import it in your trading bot by pasting the copy. You will see a list with all the wallets and you can also view their trades, which can be very useful if you want to know which coins are popular. If you have Discord, you can also download the wallet tracker list from there. The links to my Telegram and Discord server are in the description below. Also handy on Padri is the profit and loss tracker, and you can link the price alerts bot to your Telegram, which is also very unique. Another cool feature is the average top 10 holders entry line, which moves up or down in real time. This line shows you exactly where the average entry for the top 10 holders is. If the line keeps going up, it means that the top 10 holders are buying more tokens, which is a great buy signal. You also have the instant trades panel, just like in Axiom, with your different presets and amounts of Solana to buy or sell. Below the chart are the positions, the orders, holders, top traders, dev tokens and a bubble maps tool, so you can see if a token is bundled or how many tokens have been created and migrated by the dev. The token trading information is on the right side with an automatic take profit and stop loss option. If you go to settings, you can completely customize the color themes. You can choose different fonts right here or pick another layout. If you want another bar on the left, for example, you can do that here. Padre comes with different notification settings, like if you want to hear a sound if a wallet that you follow makes a trade, just explore the settings and change what you prefer. The trenches are also easy to change, and you can choose the display, the metric size and everything like that, and all the trending tokens pop up on this page, depending on your filters. If you click the trenches button below, all the latest coins pop up in a separate window, even if you are looking at the chart, so this is also very handy. In the portfolio, you can view all your open and closed positions, and there is also a P&L calendar. Another key feature of Padri is that it is compatible with Ethereum, Base, BNB chain and Solana, so you can trade on all the biggest Memecoin chains, while Axiom only works on Solana. In the automations, there's a copy trading feature,
has one of the best built-in copy trading interfaces in the market,
so you can
and even allows you to copy trade a whole group of wallets at the same time without having to set up individual tasks. Another unique feature is down in the data section. You can see the fresh buys and fresh holding percentages. Any wallet that was funded within the last 2 hours is counted as a fresh wallet. This gives you another way to spot potential bots and insiders that are trying to fake organic trading activity. You can also easily hide columns and the trenches by clicking on Customize Layout. Hiding any of these columns gives you a much cleaner view. Another nice feature on Padri is the reused avatar icon, which shows up in the top right corner of an avatar if it's been used before. In the trenches, you can click this little arrow button at the top here to set up an exit strategy for quick buys directly from the trenches tab. This activates your take profit and stop loss without having to use the token page. Padri is also the first trading platform that is usable on mobile. You can add the Padri website to your home screen and it will function like a standalone app. Besides the usual fee and the MEF protection settings, you have the Inferno mode, which optimizes your gas fees and tips to make sure you get in and out of trades as quickly as possible. All in all, this is a very fast and powerful trading bot with tons of adjustable functions and settings, and I especially like the alpha tracker and the trailing stop loss feature. The only thing that I miss on Padri is the possibility to drag your take profit and stop loss lines on the chart manually. However, I like the interface, it's easy to use, and I will use Padri because I am a scalper and the alpha tracker allows me to get an overview of the hottest meme coins in real time. If you also want to try out Padri, I have a link in the description below. If you use my invitation link, you will get a 35% cashback on your trading fees instead of the 10% if you don't use my link. So why not help support the channel and save some money at the same time? Let me know in the comments below if you are going to try Padri or if you will keep using your current bot. Thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please smash a like and subscribe to the channel to get my latest videos first. Have a great day and trade safely.